Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. I'm Homer K, a civil engineer currently based on Manila. Today we will do some unit cost estimate for concreting. So first we input the concrete works, pouring works. Okay, so secondly, the concrete volume, no, concrete pouring volume. Then the third is the item number. Then material description. Let's make it a little bit wider. Then next is the quantity. Next unit, then unit cost, then that subtotal cost. Okay, let's make it a little bit wider. Then let's make it all center. Yeah. Okay, let's make it a little bit wider for material description. Then next, let's merge the concrete volume until the last two cells. Then for the unit, let's make it cubic meter. Then for the title, let's merge it to the center. Let's make adjustment to the item number. Then material. Then next is, let's copy this, then put it down for equipment and tools. The next one is manpower. Let's change this to equipment and tools. Then the next one is, let's make some total of the material cost. Actually, subtotal, I mean total, it must be total cost, not subtotal. Then let's make it right. Then copy paste it on the manpower and equipment tools. Then let's change the material to manpower. For the equipment and tools, let's change it to equipment and tools. Okay, for the item number and the title, let's put it down because it's different for each category. So like this one, change it to equipment / tool. Oops. Let's make it a little bit wider. Then next, let's copy it again. Then paste it here. Then here is job description. Then quantity, then R, number of hours needed, then hourly rate of the person working. So next, we will color it. Color the titles. Let's make it gold. Then let's make it bold. For the color of the font, let's make it white. Here, let's make it a little bit lighter, so let's use Oops. Let's insert some space. Oh, I forgot. Let's insert total unit cost for each, so that when we change the total number of volume, the cost will also change. Then let's make it right again. Okay, so now we'll change the color. Let's make it yellow. Next, for the title of the material, tools and manpower, the same. Let's make it also bold. Then next is the input of the, the color. Let's color the total cost first with black and white font, so that it is more distinctive. So first, let's add some number to items. Then RMC 3000 ready mix concrete, 3000 psi. Then 1 cubic meter. Then unit cost are around 4,500. Then the subtotal, let's make it the peso sign. Change it to peso sign. Where is it? A little bit more. Okay, there's a Filipino. Okay, equals the quantity times the unit cost. So that is the cost. Let's paste it, copy paste it here. Okay. So delete the unit cost, since only the RMC 3000 is the 4,500. Next, let's delete the space that we don't need. Next, we insert so that there's a differentiation of the okay. Let's make it white for the space. Let's insert more for the equipment and tools, because there's too much equipment and tools. Let's make it white. Here again, it's also like that. Insert, then make it white. On the upper side, let's make it also like that. Make it center. Then mix 2. Let's number it down to 6. Let's insert another more. For the equipment and tools, let's insert auto level transit for leveling of the concrete. Then concrete rake for distributing the concrete. Then pails for pouring, rope and pulley for lifting the concrete, in case. Then what's next? Let's put some rubber float, for the trolley. Shovel for again distribution. Pump grid for pumping the concrete to the location. Then next, we have a concrete vibrator. Then some nylon wire for the level of concrete nails, of course, to fix the nylon. Then let's input the quantity. So we just need 1 unit of the transit. Okay, let's make it center. Also this one. Oops. Then 1 unit. Then 1 piece. Fills around 10. Fills. Rope around 20 meters. Then pulley 1 piece again. Rubber float around 2 or 1. No, 1. Shovel 1. Concrete 1 unit. Concrete vibrator around 1 unit also, or 2. Let's make it 2 so that in case of the malfunctions. Nylon wire around 4 meters. Then concrete nail 4 pieces I think will do. For the cost, 1 pesos for low cost materials equipment. Then concretes around 1,000 per cubic. Then shovel around 5 pesos. 5 pesos, 5 pesos, 5 pesos. This one 50 pesos because transit is a little bit expensive equipment. So next, let's make it. Oh, a Shopee. Okay, let's just change the. Let's put some peso sign. Then copy the formula, drag it down. Then that's it. Then the sum equals sum. Okay, select it all. So around 4,000 plus. I mean 1,000 plus. Then sum, only 1 item, so 4, 5. Delete the blank space. Okay, for the manpower, let's add items. Let's copy here, then paste here. Okay, so we need mason, then labor. This one. So let's add it 2. Let's make it 2 so that 1:1. Labor and mason is 1:1. So 2 mason equals to 2 labor. So for mason 100 per hour, then the labor is 75 per hour. So 800 divided by 8 and 600 divided by 8. Let's just copy the peso sign. Okay. Then copy the formula. Drag it down. Then sum. Okay. So here we will have. Let's change it to the white first. Then let's total the amount. But first we input the volume first times open parenthesis plus the material cost plus equipment and manpower cost and accept it. So when we input 1 cubic meter equals to 6,120. So next. So let's try. Okay, let's merge all the blank space so that is a little bit aesthetic. Then let's put some borders so it's separated very clearly. Then let's make it a thick border for the outside. Let's check on the print area. Oh, there's a gap. Let's make it 1 page. Let's drag the blue line so that it will be 1 page. Let's see again. Okay, it's 1 page already. Next. So again, this is the unit cost for the concrete pouring of ready mix concrete 3000 psi. So let's make it to 12,240. Then 61,200. Ooh. So that's it for this tutorial. This is how you make a unit cost for a concrete pouring. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.